So since working with Annette, I've been able to bring her into my workplace that I'm currently at in a coaching and training facility. So she's been engaging with my team and helping me work on workshops to develop not just my junior team but also my senior management team. So we've been running, training sessions and dealing with real issues in the workplace. We've been dealing with gossiping in the workplace. So these were all kind of issues that were, reoccurring, and this is something that we've been tackling, head on and addressing in that environment. And it's been phenomenal, the outcome that we've had from her assistance in training. Yes, I would thoroughly recommend Annette. She has made a lot of change, and a lot of change in a short amount of time. Just watching her develop people around me has not only benefited those team members, but it's also benefited me to be encouraged to see that growth.